Come on, feel the noise. Girls, rock your boys. Hey, everybody. It's just little old me, Natasha. Nanaboozhoo's down in the holodeck. I wonder what he's up to now. Let's check in on him. No one can blame you for walking away. La-dee-dee-dee-dee-da-da. La-dee-da-dee-da. But down in the underground, you'll find someone true. Down in the underground. I don't know, man. I think down in the underground is kind of creepy. If you ask me. You guys remember that movie? Name that tune. What movie was that the soundtrack to? There's also, You Remind Me of the Babe. What babe? The babe with the power. What power? The power of voodoo. Hoodoo. You do. Do what? Remind me of the babe. I saw my baby crying hard as babes could cry. What could I do? Yeah, that's right. Labyrinth. Labyrinth with David Bowie, Jennifer Connelly, and a whole bunch of Muppets, and some really good music. Nobody talks about what a great album the Labyrinth soundtrack was in the David Bowie collection. I still listen to a lot of those songs. They're pretty decent songs. As the world falls down. Anyway. So how you doing? No one can blame you. If you don't know what a labyrinth is, you might be a little kid watching this. A labyrinth is a fancy word for an underground maze. Some people say that there's whole cities underneath the ground that we don't know about. And that some people know about it, but you can dig down and then you end up in this secret old passages, and maze around under the ground. Now, back in the days of the grandfathers, the 1980s, there was a movie about a girl who got kind of fed up being a babysitter of her little baby brother. And when she was just kind of playing around, she said, "Oh, Goblin King, take my little baby away. Take him far away." So David Bowie shows up as kind of like a vampire, only instead of changing from a bat, he changes from like a owl. He goes, "Yeah, okay, fine. I got your baby brother." And she's like, No, I was kidding." He's like, "Yeah, oh. What's said is said. What's said is said," said David Bowie. Or Jareth the Goblin King. He goes, "Listen, you want your little baby brother, you're going to have to find your way through the labyrinth, through the maze, into to my goblin city beyond the labyrinth." And then he changes back into a owl and flies away. Well, she goes off and starts looking for the Goblin City and her baby brother and going through these tunnels. And they called that movie Labyrinth. Oh, I just love that movie. Check it out. All right, computer. It's too creepy down here. Please end labyrinth, you know, holodeck, whatever thingy. Boop, 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 boop. Beep, beep. Yeah. Thank you. It's much better. This is my holodeck. I can kind of simulate a lot of different things, you know, like computer, boop, boop, boop. Please run spaceship simulation thingy. Boop, boop, boop. Beep, beep. Yeah, like this. Okay. Let's see, what's some good traveling music? Why try? I know why. This feeling inside me says it's time I was gone. Clear head, new life ahead. It's time I was king and not just one more pawn. Fly by night away from here. Change my life again. Fly by night, goodbye my dear. My ship isn't coming, and I just can't pretend. Fly by night. That was a Rush tune. Why try? I know why. There's a feeling inside me that says it's time I was gone. You ever get to a place where you know what? I've had it. It's time to leave. It's time I move. It's time I was gone. You know? There's nothing left that can't be left behind. So that song is about, you know, he's gonna try to leave. Moonrise, thoughtful eyes, staring back at me from the window beside. The moon rises, and he looks in the reflection of the window, and he sees thoughtful eyes. Moonrise, thoughtful eyes, staring back at me from the window beside. I always kind of pictured him like on a bus, and he looks out at the window and he sees the reflection of himself and he sees his eyes. Quiet and pensive, my thoughts apprehensive, the hours drift away, leaving my homeland, playing a lone hand, my life begins today. You know, every ending is another endings. Every beginning is some other beginning's end. You know, sometimes you just gotta maja, leave. Today is the Ojibwe word of the day, maja, leave. It's time to leave. I believe it's time for me to fly. Time for me to fly. That's another good flying song. REO Speedwagon. Time for me to fly. I gotta set myself free. What's your favorite I've had it, I'm leaving song? Leaving on a jet plane? All my bags are packed, I'm ready to go. Standing here outside your door, and I hate to wake you up to say goodbye. But the dawn is breaking, it's early morn. Taxi's waiting. Oh, computer! Boop, boop, boop. Simulation is I didn't realize you'd be simulating G-forces. Boop, boop, boop. Please end computer holodeck simulation. Boop, boop, boop. Beep, beep, beep. Oh, thank you. Whew. That was a little too real. Anyway, what was I saying? Oh yeah, sometimes it's just time to fly. Sometimes you just gotta go. You know, it's weird. You get to an age and you start to look back at your life and you go, what was that all about? There was that chapter in my life when I lived in Moorhead. I went to college and I lived in that apartment. That was kind of a sub-chapter. The 23rd Street chapter. I spent about 3 years there. And that's when this stuff happened. And then we had another chapter called the Park School Apartments chapter. And, I lived with so-and-so and whatever. But when you finally leave a town, you break up with all your friends. It's a definite, for some people, when you're like 18, it's like the bird leaving the nest. It's really sad and emotional and scary because you're leaving, going away, goodbye. It's such a painful thing to say goodbye that in Ojibwe we don't even say it. We don't even have a word for goodbye. We say, "GOFUNDME, Minawa." I will see you again. But sometimes you don't see him again. Gawin. GOFUNDME, Minawazi. No, I won't see you again. I'm moving, 5 hours away. Let's not kid ourselves. I'm not going to be driving back and forth 5 hours. Every once in a while, we'll still be friends. No, I'm leaving. I'm moving away. Therefore, as coworkers and friends, goodbye. Adios. It's really weird. I remember one time I left a job. I felt like I was going to get fired. I had a couple of meetings with the boss. I had already had the second meeting where they had to bring in human resources to document my warning. So I went quick, found another job, but I couldn't start that job for another month. And I was afraid they were going to fire me. I didn't want them to fire me. So I gave my notice. And I gave my notice for like 6 weeks later. I thought, well, it'll socially be too weird for them to go, oh, you're quitting? No, wait, you're fired. But then, we all had to pretend we were friends. And when I moved away, they had a going away party for me. We all went out to the bar. And you go, what? Hey, we're sure going to miss you, buddy. Thank you, yeah, hey, thank you so much. It's real, I'll never forget my wonderful time at this terrible job. Goodbye. And I never saw them again, never talked to them again. Don't know if they're alive or dead. But everyone was crying when we said goodbye. I'm going to miss you, yeah. I'm going to miss you for a while, and then I'm going to get over it and forget about it. C'est la vie. Today's Ojibwe word of the day is a French phrase. C'est la vie. Such is life. I'm going upstairs. Boop, boop, boop. Beep, beep. Beep, beep. BOOZHOO. Hey, sweetie. Hi, Nanaboozhoo. You ready to come upstairs? Yeah, can you pick me up? You got it. And let's see. That's 1 to teleport. Yep. Now, make it so. Oh, you gotta say, make it so, number 1, remember? Oh, yeah, that's right. Make it so, number 1. No. Hey, there you go. Hi. Sorry to be a stickler for protocol. No, you're right. There's protocol in the Starship manual. If you're going to use a teleporter, you got to say, make it so, number 1. I've yet cause to say, beam me up, Scotty. Oh yeah, we gotta employ that or incorporate that or something. Yeah. Ladies and gentlemen, the lovely and talented Natasha. BOOZHOO, Gakina Awia. Hi, everybody. All right. Okay, good enough. Let's call that a show. Hey everybody, thank you so much for listening. Miigwech, GOFUNDME, and thank you for watching. BOOZHOO, Nanaboozhoo, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. Hey! I am Nanaboozhoo, and this over here is the lovely and talented Natasha. BOOZHOO or miigwech kakita awia. Thank you, everybody, and I'll see you again. Giga waba man, minawa. Giga waba man, minawa. Give us a thumbs up if you like the show. Hit the subscribe button, and if you'd like to support us, our GoFundMe campaign link is right on top in the description box. All right, boys, that's pretty good. Except one thing. What's that? We never taught the Ojibwe phrase of the day. Oh, I feel so stupid. Today's Ojibwe phrase of the day. OJIBWE, kiss me. I love you. Gizakain. OJIBWE, kiss me. Gizakain. I love you. I guess that's all I really wanted to say. Miigwech.